Hi guys, today we'll be showing you a quick video of how to cook and shell crabs, which we'll be doing about blue swimmer crabs that we get here in South Australia. So the cooking process is you boil your water till it starts boiling, and then from there salty water, and then when it starts boiling, then you put your crabs in the pot, and then the cooking time for crabs after they've started boiling is about 7 minutes. And then after that you take them out, and then outside here we've got a bucket of icy cold water. As you can see, we've got ice packs there, so it helps shrink the meat off of the crabs. So there's some crabs there. It helps shrink the meat off of them, so it's easier to eat when you're eating them. So I'll show you now how to shell them. So first you get your fingers under the top part of the shell and then pull up till that top bit cracks off, and then put that in your bin part or whatever you're going to do. And then next you run your thumb along the finger parts, which are their lungs, and then from there you go down and then rip the eye off, and then do the same on the other side. Go down, pull that off, and then you go to the back, pull the thing off, and then what we do is give it to the dog.
That was a male, so that was his willy.
And then you stick your thumb into its guts and all that, and then take out all the poo and different things. And then from there you go into the shell and then break this little bit where the mouth is, sort of. And then from there you give it a bit of a wash, and then you bend it backwards until they both come in half, then wash them. So we'll do this side first, then you can peel all the bits of brown stuff and that off and chuck it into your bin until it's mainly just meat and the bits of shell, till you've got clean crab meat. Okay, so we've got a bowl there which we keep all our crabs that we've done in. So now we'll do the other side. So peel all the brown stuff off. Till they look clean, give them a wash, and then you can see there that's pretty clean. So put that back. I'll quickly do one more, which has no arms, legs or nothing. Okay.
They fell off in the pot, didn't they?
Yeah, you go from under there. Hang on, that's a bit harder. Crack the top off. Dig these out. Grab the eye.
And what are they?
They're the fingers, what we call them, but it's actually its lungs.
Okay, yeah, dead man's fingers.
Yep. And then you pull, if it's a boy or a girl, pull it.
So how do you know if it's a boy or a girl?
Well, on the boy ones, it's more straight, whereas the girl, it's
like a pointed one, isn't it?
Yeah.
We would show you that, but the dog's already eaten it. So,
We'll give that to the dog.
there's the dog, yeah, off with it. Beautiful. Like a big ass salty bone.
Ew.
Righto, let's have another look. Okay. Give it a wash. Now, snap that off.
If I can.
No
Okay,
good?
well, that one's a bit harder, so
Okay, so,
I'll just try to crack it.
yeah, just peel off the little bits on the outside. That's it. Bend it in. Out. That's it. There she goes. Now, what are those yellow bits?
They're the eggs.
Okay, give it a look. Okay, so that's eggs, or with a fish you would call it roe in that state. They haven't developed. They're only developed in the, I suppose, the ovaries, like in the, and when they deposit the eggs, underneath the flap, the female has these little appendages that come out, and they're covered in furs. and what they do is they hold on to the eggs there. So
That one is pretty.
blue swimmer crabs are going to be 11 centimeters, and we'll show you how to measure one. Right. So hang on, let's just tip that crap out of it.
Okay.
That's
So
it.
You
Now
get your shell, and then when you get your crab measure, which we don't have on us at the moment, but you put it in between the bigger spike and the second one, and then if it's too small, well then you should always throw them back, because we like to keep our fish and crabs and that around so we can catch them when they're legal.
that's right, and not only that, like you're saying, conservation. It's so that the generations later, like your children's children,
Yep.
will still be able to catch blue swimmer crabs and fish, because you just don't take undersize.
Nope, that's one rule that you should never break.
And this little fella here, right, if he sees other people catching undersized stuff, he goes up and tells them. You can believe that. And he's only 12. So,
Okay, well, that's coming to the end of our video of how to cook and clean blue swimmer crabs. So, yep, you can see that they're all cleaned out there in our
I can taste them already.
pot bucket bowl thingy.
Bowl. Now, you just hold that for a sec. You take over the camera work a minute. Now you'll find as well, when you tilt them, you get the residual water from cleaning and washing, and then 15 minutes in the fridge. You can eat them like that, but 15 minutes in the fridge and they're nice and cold. Go really good with a Pepsi and a cold beer. So you know now, due to the young fella, and what do we say? Bon appetit.
Alright, like and subscribe and enjoy the video.
Okay guys, that's great. Well done, young fella. See you guys.